Hey everybody, this is my first impression. We just put a road through the woods up at our property in Tennessee, and I don't know, we may move here or something if we put anything more than the road. Oh yeah, there's the housing site right there. But it's been raining the last couple of weeks, I guess. It's all muddy, but it's not Georgia mud. It's a different type of mud. Not too bad. Anyhow, this is what it looks like. Ignore the little pickup truck that's in the bigger machinery. But yeah. Oh, we've got butterfly just came to greet me. Looks pretty good. About 100 feet that way is a cliff. And some, I want to say Mesoamerican ruins, couple of caves and art and stuff. Not Picasso-like, but Mesoamerican. I forget what this. I'm going to go way out over any knowledge I have. Mid-Columbian, I don't know, but it's, 1,000 years ago or 500 years ago. It's not like last week. It's not tags. But you see how it slopes off that way. Over there, you go a little bit further and it falls off. It's not too far of a fall there. Go about 50 feet to the left and it does become a far fall. My dog's refusing to come out now. She was having fun a little bit ago. Oh, you know why she's refusing? Yeah, well, it helps if you open the door for her. She was already out here. She got worried because I started moving the truck around. You coming out? She gave up. All right, I'm actually going to set up a glamp. Yeah, it is a glamping tent. It's one of those circle ones. I'll upload something on that later. I'm putting this on Facebook because almost everything else won't handle it right now in my accounts. Anyhow, it's kind of cool. Actually, it's a lot of cool. I'm out.